hope it's that way. Okay, now two more volunteers. Get my friends' attention, okay? Now they will pick you. Now toucans, they like to nest in trees. And in the morning, both male and female, they will head out to find food to feed their youngs. Now, the birds will be flying very low above your head, so I need your cooperation. For those of you who are not doing the volunteer, please remain seated. Now, do not raise your hand and try to touch the bird. And the gentleman right over here, yeah, I need him to sit down. Yes, sit down, sir. Thank you very much. All right? Okay. Maybe he's going to give the final instructions over there. Right, now, everyone, look at that card. Ready now? Yes. You can see that right now. Okay. One more coming up. Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, those are Toko toucans. And Toko toucans, they are the largest in the toucan family. Now, despite the size of the beaks, now Toko toucans, they are very agile and maneuverable in flying. Now, they can even catch insects while in flight. Now, to prove this to you, now Budi will go to the center there and he will throw 2 pieces of fruit way up high in the air. Now, let's see whether the toucans can catch this, okay? Ready now. 1, 2, and up it goes. Yes! Alright, one more time. Okay, ready now? 1, 2, up it goes. Whoa! Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, before we carry on further, let me introduce them to you. This is Mr. That, no fighting this. This is Mrs. Swan, our husband and wife team. Yeah, we are so lucky to see this bird closer, but in a while, the population is declining due to poaching and also deforestation. And you can help to save these beautiful birds by simply support your local conservation effort. Okay, you can come down over here. Okay, ready now? Before I start heavy, you better go back now. Home is that way. How about you? Our Toko toucans, ladies and gentlemen. Now, what differentiates parrots with other animals is the ability to copy sound. I think it's falling right now, so we're going to go at the R's here. Okay. Now, as I mentioned to you, parrots. What differentiates them with other animals is their ability to copy sound. And they do this for social communication. And the yellow-named Amazon, they are very good at mimicking. Mimicking simply means the copy of sounds that we hear around them often. Thank you very much. Okay, now before we carry on further, as you can see that I'm going closer to you, and it's getting darker right now. For those of you who have your video, your camera, turn off your flash. Yes, I can see some lights coming up from that camera right over there. Okay, yeah, because if the birds get frightened, most probably they won't perform. So I'm not going to, okay? So just for safety precaution, don't turn off your flash. Okay, now, this one here, now this is very good at mimicking. Mimicking simply means the copy of sounds that we hear around them often. Now let's start with something simple. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello. He has a name and he's going to introduce himself. Tell everyone here, what's your name?
Amigo.
His name is Amigo. One more time. Tell them your name.
Amigo.
Okay, it's Amigo. Alright. Now, Amigo, there's a lot of people out here. What are you going to say to all these nice people?
Hello.
So, how are you this afternoon? Good? Okay, nice to hear. Okay, beside it, this was also a very smart